Here are the facts that you need to know if you want TMG, trimethylglycine, also known as betaine, to work and get results for you. From this TMG video of mine, I've received lots of feedback. In fact, 500 comments from viewers and subscribers saying it's definitely working for them, that TMG is giving them effective, positive results that they're very happy with. I'm also getting comments like this one from @Costine77. He says, bro, I've been on this taking almost 4 grams for a year from, and then in brackets, he put bulk supplement supplier, haven't noticed a single difference. Now, before I respond to @Costine77, I want you to know that my name is Andrew Kolasko, and I am here every week to be your personal longevity coach for you men 50 plus. Every week, I'm here to give you the insider info, the no BS on the modalities and protocols that really work, that make a difference, and will help you get out the best health span and longevity, making quality future years ahead of you. So if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to, so that you never miss one of my videos again. I have 7 points that I'm going to make about making sure that TMG is working for you. Now, the first thing I asked @Costine77 was, that'd be number 1 on my list, how is your training going? Are you lifting regularly and with focus and intention? He didn't get back to me, but I want you to know that if you are resistance training 2 to 3 times a week, and you are putting the focus and you're putting the effort in, you have to have that or else you're not getting results. It's not going to change your body composition. It's not going to increase your lean muscle mass. It's not going to increase your testosterone. And it's not going to help your strength to go up if you're not training with intent and focus and putting the effort in. Like I've said, and I've got some comments about this too, referring it to steroids, but it is in the way that it works with body composition, increasing lean muscle mass, and then decreasing fat. That is where it's quite comparable on some degree to steroids. Now, steroids, a low dose of steroids, that will get you results even if you're, not exercising regularly and you're not out there 2 or 3 times, pushing it as hard as you can. It's not a magic pill, okay? TMG, you've got to be training for it to work for you. Number 2, make sure that the TMG supplements company that you're using can produce an analytical chemical certificate of analysis. Now, I'm going to bring this up on the screen and look at it with you here. This is by certified laboratories. Okay, this was an off-site, off-premise lab that looked at betaine. Okay, it was a 500 milligram of 1 capsule, and it shows you the results. 501 milligrams per 1 capsule. So they're actually a little bit over 1, whatever, they're hitting it. This is the thing, is that with many supplement companies, there's a lot of fillers, okay? There's a lot of even contamination that can take place at supplement companies. You've got to make sure that you're getting the highest purity and quality as possible. So, I asked Costine77, I said, if you checked your supplier's analytical chemical certificate of analysis of their TMG, and once again, he didn't get back to me. But the company I use, particular.com, has this for every single one of their longevity supplements, including TMG. You want to make sure that you're getting what it says on the label, okay? So use a very good brand, someone that can produce off-site analysis, lab reports showing that what's in their product is actually in that supplement, or else maybe this guy costing @77, I don't know. He might not even be getting TMG in those capsules that he's getting, or it's a very limited amount. That could have a lot to do with it. I'm not sure, but you want to make sure, check so that you're getting what it says and it's verified. Number 3, make sure that the TMG that you purchase is from GMP-certified supplement companies only. Now, GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. You need to look for this logo right here. Good Manufacturing Practices, that GMP, to meet those standards, to maintain that GMP certification, they have to meet the 5 Ps. Now, the 5 Ps, their premises are looked over. That's 1, premises, 2, people, 3, processes, 4, procedures, and 5, finally, products, okay? They have to meet those standards so that you've got the highest quality coming out of that company as possible. Not just TMG, but any supplements that you use, make sure they're GMP certified. Number 4, make sure that the TMG that you purchase, or really any supplement, is third-party tested. Look for this logo right here, because a lot of supplements, they have unnecessary fillers, they have contaminants. You want to make sure that what it says on the label, that it's verified and been triple checked so that you know what you're purchasing and putting into your body is exactly what it's supposed to be. Number 5, for TMG to work, you have to have adequate protein intake, okay? At least 1 gram per pound of body weight, as well as your micronutrients, your macronutrients, all your diet and nutrition has to be dialed in. TMG cannot work on its own to increase your lean muscle mass, to increase your strength, and enhance your performance unless you've got the scaffolding, the foundation of a good diet behind it. Number 6, dosage amount and consistency. Okay, in the video, once again, that I did on TMG, I cited a meta-analysis. That was from 6 different labs, okay? They compiled the analysis and the research studies from 6 different labs. And the amount of TMG they were using in those was about 2 grams, some were 2.5, all the way up to 5 grams per day. That's what they used to get those results. Now, I have been getting results, I feel, with just 1 gram a day with 2 500 milligram tablets. So, but to use the research that I cited in the video, it is anywhere from 2 to 5 is showing effective results. The scientific literature, that's what it's pointing to. I'm happy with my 1 gram. You can do what you want, but that's a range. You're going to have to be in there for it to work. Number 7, make sure that you pay a fair price, because if you start taking supplements, you got to make sure that you can afford to keep taking them so you can keep getting the results. Make sure that it's competitive. Okay, you got to meet all those quality standards. Now, who I use is particular.com. They're an affiliate on this channel, yes, but go ahead and do a price comparison. As long as they're meeting, you got the GMP, you got the third-party tested, you got the other standards that are there, then you can do a comparison. So on particular.com, you'll find TMG for $17. That gets you 60 capsules of 500 milligrams. So 60 500 milligram capsules. So 1 gram a day, that's going to last me for 30 days. If you use my discount code, my exclusive, only on this channel will you find this discount as low as it is, 17%. You put in Kolasko 17, Kolasko at checkout, and you will get 17% off. So that pushes the price all the way down to $14.11. What's that work out to? Per 1 gram, only 47 cents. So go ahead, do comparison, make sure that is something that you can afford and be able to, like I say, be able to keep taking. And as a viewer and subscriber on this channel, you can use that 70% off on any of their longevity supplements. But with TMG, that's the one we're talking about here. So make sure that you take advantage of that and that you're paying something that you can continue to pay and fit into your budget. And again, further to why I use particular.com and why they're on this channel, why they're an affiliate of mine, is because we're both specialists. We're both only working in the longevity Healthspan field. Particular.com, that's all they carry is longevity supplements. I'm a longevity coach. I work with men 50 plus in their 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. I'm working with these men to help them dial in the best future years. And there's a special nuance to that. Okay, the advice that you give, the nutrition, the training, it has to be specific to this age. There are generalists out there, trainers, fitness gurus in their 20s, 30s, even 40s. But until you get to this age, it's really, you got to live it to know what's best. And so they live it because that's all they do. And I, at 58, am in this with you. So that's why that's a perfect pairing. And that's why they're on my channel. Start using TMG to increase your strength, your lean muscle mass, your VO2 max, your testosterone, as well as lower your homocysteine levels. Use that Kolasko 17 at checkout so that you can get yourself some TMG and start getting these benefits. Thank you for being here. If you like this content, then please hit that like button as well. Make sure that you're subscribed and leave a comment. Do this video. I went through the 500 comments and I used that as background and substance, the foundation to putting this video together. The comments that were in there helped me know exactly what was the most important, and I was able to bring those out. Also, I saw in the comments men helping other men, giving feedback and insights, some special experience that they've had with TMG and other supplements, and it's just really a good community there. So please do comment. Love to hear from you. I respond to every single comment. I appreciate you being here this week. I want to help you increase those future years ahead of you. So if you're 50 plus, keep it locked here because we want to optimize your performance, increase your lean muscle mass, increase your VO2 max, increase your strength, and do anything else we can to give it as many quality years and optimize your future the best that we possibly can. Let's do it together. I'll see you here again next week.